Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make 3 recipes. So I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Come on, let us see what all recipes I am going to make. Today I am going to make Bagun Bora, chicken curry and Phool Gobhi Jhal. 3 recipes which I am going to make today. So come on, let us start. I have taken brinjals. You can see this size. I have cut them. This size I have cut it. You can see the slits. I have taken cauliflower. You can see the cauliflower. And I have taken chicken also. So, chicken curry, Phool Gobhi Jhal and Bagun Bora. I am going to make all this now. First I will marinate the chicken and keep it one side. This I have taken ginger garlic paste. I'll put this in. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put dhania powder. Put some jeera powder. Put salt to taste. And mix it well. Let this be for a little while, at least to 5 to 10 minutes. I'll move this aside now. And I will make the Phool Gobhi Jhal. Put some mustard oil. First I will fry the cauliflower. I have taken the cauliflower. You can see the size. Cut up. Now I'll fry them first. The cauliflowers are turned slightly brown. Now I'll take them out. I'll put some oil. Put some panch phoran. Put some cut up onion. Put in the chopped tomatoes. I have taken dhania, jeera, black mustard and yellow mustard, garlic. I have taken and made a paste out of this. You can see the paste which I have made. Now I am going to put this in the jhal. Some masala I kept for the Bagun Bora. Put some turmeric powder. Put 1 green chili. And some chili powder. Let the masala turn brown. Put in the fried cauliflower. Put in the salt to taste. Mix it well. Add some water. And let the cauliflower cook. and let the water dry up. Cover it up and let it cook. Now let us get ready with the Bagun Bora. I've taken the brinjal, you can see it, how it is slitted. Now I'm going to mix the besan. The batter, I'm going to get ready with that. I've taken besan, you can see the packet. Now I'll make the batter with the besan. The batter will be a little thick, not very thin. Put some salt, and I'll mix the batter now nicely. The batter is ready with the besan. You can see it. Now I'll keep this aside. Put some refined oil. First I will half fry the brinjal and take it out. The brinjal is half fried. Now I'll take them out. Gobhi Jhal is ready. Now I'll take this down. This is Phool Gobhi Jhal. Now the brinjal which I fried half, I'll open them this way. I've opened them. Now the masala which I have kept over here, the garlic, dhania, jeera, black mustard and yellow mustard paste. I will mix chili powder, some turmeric powder, and mix this well. And I will take one spoon and put it in the brinjal here, this way. And now again I will fry them. Dip it in the besan batter and fry them this way. This is ready to be fried again. The batter which I mixed, now I'll put in the brinjals in this. Oil is turned hot. Now I'll put in the brinjals. Bagun Bora is fried up. Now I'll take it out. Bagun Bora also is ready. Now I'll get ready with the chicken curry. Put some mustard oil. Put some jeera. Put in the onions. Put in the marinated chicken. cover it up and let the chicken fry. The chicken is frying with the masala, you can see, friends. Now this will fry nicely. I have already put in all the masalas, so I'm not going to put anything more. Let this fry a little more. The chicken is fried up well. Now I will put some kasuri methi. This is kasuri methi which I am putting. Mix it. Put some water. Put some garam masala. Put some chicken masala. And cover it up. Chicken curry also is ready. Thank you for watching my video.